What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to a new video on Solana. Alright, yesterday unfortunately I was wrong. I longed Solana because I did think and I still think that I would have done the same because the setup was pretty good. Alright, we had a solid support of Sol BTC, so the relative strength of Solana against Bitcoin. And then apart from that, we also had a bullish divergence in the RSI, which by the way is still going on right now. And we were gaining some momentum. And then apart from that, on the daily, we had a significant support level here at 140, and we got some bullish confirmation from there. Now, in the end, what we got though is that it was holding up fairly well, I would say 140, which as you can see on the daily is a strong level. But then we had another big sell-off overnight. I mean, you can see with Solana, it's a bit of a flush where in a matter of an hour, like over $200 million in positions were closed. That's a lot. I would almost say that's not normal, but who am I to decide what's normal? That's what you should expect in the markets. So we take the loss, and now the big question is all right, well, what's next for Solana? And that's also why I told you at the start, this is a little bit more of a long-term analysis, because I think we need to see some more confirmation from the markets. Right now, if you look at the markets, like if you look at Bitcoin, that's weak. We also had a flush. Now Bitcoin recovered fairly well, I would say. But it hasn't recovered so well that I think, all right, well, Bitcoin is super bullish right here. So I think the market, if you consider Bitcoin to be the market, is still weak. And then apart from that, you have the altcoin market also dropping down very, very violently. And again, into a strong high time frame support level. So that's what we need to see. Right now we have to check on Bitcoin, we have to monitor Bitcoin, we have to monitor the total three, so the altcoin market, and see what type of reaction we get from these areas. Because so far, I mean, you can see we had some support, like Solana also found strong support here at the 200 EMA. At 130, which is, I mean, if you look at Solana right here, the main support level is between 115 and 125. So reacting to the 200 EMA like that is not bad. However, we also haven't had any bullish confirmation from here. Like what we need to see, the ideal scenario for Solana is some sort of a short squeeze here, that Bitcoin gets some sort of a bullish breakout. All right, so let me see. That Bitcoin squeezes up towards 67,000, for example, and that together with that, Solana breaks back above 140. If we can do that, that's great. Then we can actually short, or then we can actually squeeze all the shorts, and we can be back up to 160 before you know it. But due to the excuse me, hopefully I'll cut that out, but I might forget. But due to the weakness we see right now, which is, I mean, sure, we found support at the 200 EMA, but there's no, like since the drop we had on Friday 2 weeks ago, there's been no bullish breakout. The momentum for Solana is very low. So sure, there's a chance that we do some sort of a short squeeze here, but wait for confirmation. All right. And until that time, which is, like I said, right now we're only getting bearish confirmations. So until we get a bullish confirmation, which in my eyes would be a strong Bitcoin with a bullish breakout for Solana above 141. Until that happens, we're bearish. And sure, we found support at the 200 EMA, but we'll just find a bearish retest here from 141. And I think it's most likely we'll drop down into that stronger support level at 125 and 120 and 115. So that's what I think is most likely right now. There's nothing really pointing me in any other direction. Now, what's always true is that in circumstances like this, when there's a lot of fear and there's a lot of uncertainty in the markets, that is the best time to actually start looking for longs. But personally, even though that's the case, I will not do anything without some confirmation. So that's what I think you need to know. That's what I think you need to expect. I will keep you updated on this in my middle of the day market updates if anything happens. But for now, this is what you need to know. So thank you for watching. I'll see you all in my next videos, and bye.